Everyone, and welcome back to the Christmas cleaning edition, week 3. So we're doing the final bits for the kitchen and making sure the kitchen is ready. So I'm just doing the final bits of deep cleaning and ensuring that my cupboards have been decluttered, because I'm also going to be doing the food shopping in the next couple of days. So I'm just making sure I've got space, so you can clean along with me or you can get motivated and clean after. Whichever one you decide to do, let's dive right in. So we're going to begin with the hood of the cooker. So this has been collecting a lot of dust for some time, and I'm quite excited to use my absolute favorite eco cleaning product from Easy Blue. So if you're not new to the channel, you know that these products are amazing and I absolutely love them. It works so well as a degreaser. Like, you can already see the hood of this cooker is already shiny and there's no grease left. So look at that, it literally just melts off and it just works so wonderful. I highly recommend it. I'll put a link to the shop in my bio if you are interested in it. I think you can get 10% off any of their products. I absolutely love it. Like, this is like the many times I've actually used this. It actually works really well as a degreaser, and everywhere else around the kitchen. If I've got any spillages, I tend to lean to get this, as well as my washing up liquid. So my absolute favorite product. Let me know in the comment section below how far you have made, how much progress you have made with their cleaning, and if you're ready for Christmas. I know some people have already done all their Christmas shopping, their houses are clean and they're just relaxing. I am amazed by those people. Let me know if you are one of those people. But at the same time, you don't have to feel so much pressure to to get things done. Just do what you can with the time that you've got. So yeah, we are now going to focus on the tiles. So if you've got a splashback or like just tiles, make sure you clean those as well. Today I'm just using washing up liquid and a scourer, but I could use the pink stuff, the cream cleaner, but it wasn't as bad, so I just chose to use these instead. So yeah, just work, make sure that your splashbacks are entirely done, because I'm sure when you're cooking a lot during the Christmas, it's going to get really messy. So yeah, also let me know what products you guys use to clean your splashbacks or the tiles on your kitchen near the cooker. And also, if you are enjoying the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, like this video and share it with your friends. So we're now going to focus on decluttering inside the cupboard. So like, to make sure I've got enough space for all the food that I'm going to be buying, I need to know what I have and what I don't have, and separate the stuff that I'm not going to be using over Christmas. So that's why I just do this little declutter. But most of the food that I had stored, I have emptied it just in time for me to do my Christmas food shopping. So now I'm going to focus on cleaning the outside of the cupboards. You know, a bit of dust, grease and everything gets trapped onto the top of the cupboard. So I'm just going to use my degreaser and just make sure that all the dust comes off. I'm going to do the top ones and the bottom ones as well. I had done the inside of the cupboards the month before, so we're not going to be doing that today. So I'm now just putting away some of the shopping that I had done today. I also want you guys to know that this video was prepared in about 3 days. So don't feel pressured to or feel like you have to do everything in one day. If you can do it, awesome. If you can't, take as many days as you need to ensure that the task is done. And also, don't be afraid to ask for help. So ask for help from friends or from family. If you've got kids, get them involved as well. But yeah, that's it from me today. I look forward to meeting you guys in week 4, the last week where we tackle the bedrooms and the bathrooms. So if you need some motivation for that, to look forward to my next video. And yeah, let me know if you are enjoying these videos. So I will see you soon. You have a lovely day. Bye.